Hey guys, what is up? Today's video is going to be a little different. It's not about something biking related or something to do with rides, but I wanted to make this short video to share my experience about a recent stay that I have had. 2 days ago, I went to Tirutani. Family wanted to go visit the temple, and I wanted to ride, so I went along with them. They came back the same day, and I had to stay. And out of all the places that I saw, I decided to stay in a place, and primary reason was because that had the safest parking. But once I went there, if you would know, I don't really do hotel reviews or anything of that sort, but after my first day of stay, I really wanted to record some of my experiences there. So we will quickly look into some vlogs which I have tried doing in that place, and then I will also share some things with you that I think are the highlights of the property or things that impressed me about the place and what might just keep me going again to this place or other hotels that this management has. So let's get right into it. Hey guys, good morning. We are in Tirutani today. I rode here yesterday and I took up a room. Mom and dad were along. They were coming in the car and I thought it'll work out as like a breakdown man for me. So I started riding with them. I thought I'll go as long as I can and I'll return, but the roads were so beautiful. I just continued riding and I reached Tirutani and I was not sure if it was a very good idea to head back. Just in case you don't know, I've had a spine surgery 2 months ago, so this has been like 10 days I've started riding, so I'm not really doing hardcore long distances right away. Increasing the distance slowly and gradually. So I reached here. I was not sure if it was a great idea. I didn't had any issues with the ride, but just wanted to be on a safer side. So I took up a room. This is called Regency in Tirutani. It's a GRT property. So check it out. And that would be me. So yeah, again, I haven't gotten ready yet. This is just me getting ready for breakfast. I came here and I realized I'm not carrying another pair of slippers, so I had to wear jeans because I had to wear the shoe, and now I'm just gonna go this way for the breakfast. But just gonna go down, have breakfast, come back up and pack all the things and leave. It's like 8 in the morning now, so just to give you an idea, this is what the property looks like. It is the Regency in Tirutani, and this is where I've parked my bike. See right there? It's a little bit outside the city, say roughly about 5 kilometers or so. We did have other properties in the town, but one of the biggest problems we had was they didn't have a covered parking, so I had to take this place. Hardly 10 minutes from the city, but totally worth it. They do have a covered parking behind, but I wanted to be able to see the bike from my window, so I decided to stick to this one. And I'm heading for my breakfast now, so I'll see you guys in a moment. Alright, so the food is here. I'm having a plate of puri, and along with that I have like 3 varieties of chutneys, like all of them that you need. And as usual, an omelette. This one looks like a smiley. I'm gonna dig into this now. I'm gonna make a mess out of the whole thing. have to get back to the room, gear up and leave as soon as possible. We are done with breakfast. This is what the restaurant looks like. The food was amazing, totally 10 on 10. And not many people who can get the omelette right, but they just kind of nailed it. And yeah, so now we're just gonna go up, take a shower, get ready and F off from here. And I do have some billing formalities that I need to complete, so we'll just get to that. So I'll be getting ready and leaving in some time. So the room service bills, do I settle it here while leaving or do I have to do it there?
No, just while you're leaving you can pay it.
Okay, perfect. Awesome. So yeah, I'll just be down in like say an hour or so and leave from there. By the way, I was just telling my viewers, everybody can have a fancy property, but an awesome hotel comes with hospitality. And I've had among the best experiences since a very, very long time over here. So you guys just keep doing what you are doing and I'm definitely going to visit again. By the way, where else do we have GRT properties? This is
We
the
have
first
18
time.
properties.
Okay.
We have 2 more in Chennai,
Okay.
Bangalore,
Okay.
Salem, Erkar and Kodaikanal,
Oh, okay. Nice.
Kakinada, Hyderabad.
Okay, perfect. I had no idea. I mean, my dad came yesterday for lunch.
Okay, I just seen
He's like, it is GRT and I think it has something to do with the GRT Jewelers thing, and then I realized it's a chain of hotels and I didn't know that.
Of course, we belongs to GRT Gold.
Okay, perfect. So the opposite college is
also
also
us.
the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. This place was called the GRT Colony, so
Yes.
now I know why. So yes, so I'll see you in some time. I'll just get ready and I'll come back.
Anytime.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So they seem to have a property in Bangalore as well. I had no idea. But yeah, like I was saying, it was mostly the hospitality of the place that got me impressed here, and that is what will keep me going again. So next time whenever I am planning a trip, I think a GRT property is something that I will be looking for, just in case I have one. What the hell, awesome, right? You know that nothing is going to go wrong there. And hotel wise, the room wise itself, I would give it like a 9 on 10. Nothing wrong with the stay. It was everything that should be there, but the power kept cutting, and this is like the outskirts, so I don't really think it's totally under their control. But every time the power would cut, the AC would cut off, and then I would have to just start it again, and it happened when I was sleeping. So I'm like, why is it getting suffocating? And I just had to start the AC and go back to sleep. But not a big deal, not something that I would judge a hotel on. So and just one more thing I wanted to mention. The restaurant, I told you before, the food was awesome. They do have the section which I was on. I was having omelette, so I was sitting in the non-vegetarian section. There is a different restaurant on the other side, which is the vegetarian section, pure veg, and it is divided by a glass wall, and it is not a fancy wall. They actually have 2 kitchens for veg and non-veg. So I noticed this when my puri came from the right side and the omelette came from the left side, and I'm like, what's going on? So just one more cool thing, in case you're specific about pure vegetarian, you do have food here. So even though you're on the outskirts, you don't have to go back to town looking for a pure veg restaurant. And I'm not invited or sponsored by them in any ways. They have my money. So this is how they'll treat all the customers apparently, which is a good thing. And yeah, back to packing. There you go. A couple of things that I wanted to point out here. I left thinking that it's going to be a 6-hour ride, And the roads were so good that I ended up reaching there by 9:30, and I still had 2.5 hours more to go for the check-in. I was ready to wait. I was ready to wait until 12 for my check-in time, but considering they had availability, they immediately decided to check me in early, which is not very uncommon, but it was quite seamless. I didn't really have to wait for them to check on anything. I just told them that I had a reservation for today, and they were like, yeah, okay, cool, room is fine, go ahead with it. And at the same time, when it comes to the bike parking, they do have a covered parking behind, but the window of my room was towards the front of the hotel, so I wanted to park my bike at some place where I can see it from. I wanted to be able to see the bike from the hotel room, and that was a car parking. So the moment I entered, I just checked with the watchman over there if I can park my bike here, and considering there was not too many cars out there, he just went ahead and let me do that. And again, it was more like, I think, common sense which was used, which is very important in the hospitality business. Like, nobody had to firstly wait for somebody else to decide for them. The watchman over there was able to make a decision on how to manipulate the parking policies just to make a customer feel better. The receptionist didn't have to go and check with some manager and make me wait for half an hour before giving me an early check-in, which has happened before. I have actually waited so long that my actual check-in time came up in some places, and over here it was just seamless. And at the same time, food, I didn't really shoot too much about the dinner that I had the night before, but I do have one of the pictures of the desserts. I had brownie with ice cream. That's like my favorite. I'll put a picture of that as well. I think I should have it in my phone. But yes, so overall, I think when it comes to all the properties in Tirthani, this one was the best looking, but I have been able to come to a conclusion that this is also the best feeling property. The experience is very wholesome, and when you look at the other hotels in the same town or city, they don't really have much competition. There's no other hotel that comes property wise or experience wise anywhere close to the type of setup that they have. But in spite of that, they have still raised their bar and kept it up there. They still want to make sure that the standards are set just like any high standard property that you would visit in any big tourist locations or any major cities. And yeah, so the experience that I had over there was kind of unexpected, and I just thought I'll make a quick video and share it with you. Apparently, they do have a lot of properties. GRT is a chain of hotels, so in case you're planning a trip, you can look if they do have any GRT properties out there. That's what I'm going to do, and it's just a recommendation. It's not like I'm promoting them or anything, and I do not have any kind of a monetary benefit or anything of that sort involved in this video. So it is just a customer's opinion that I wanted to share, and I hope it helps you guys make a good decision. So if you're looking for a place, if you're unsure about which one to take, and if you find a GRT property there, just go for it. I think you should have a pretty good experience there. And thank you very much for the staff members there, for the management there. Even though they were wearing face masks all the time, I could see the smile through the mask, and it was just very pleasant to be around them. I always had somebody for help every time I needed help, so it was a very pleasant experience. Just keep doing what you guys are doing, and I will see you guys very soon, GRT.